Party?
Well, I mean, to be honest, it's not like a party. It's more like a gathering where scientists of different disciplines get together to...
Can't let you have that without authorization.
Have you heard of the National Transportation Safety Board? That's your secretary unlawfully gathering evidence, which means there will be no settlement of any kind. And tomorrow, I'm sending this to the district attorney.
He and his kooks took over the Sisters of Quiet Mercy months ago.
We had someone on the inside, someone tasked with getting close to Edgar, gathering intel. We were waiting on her word.
Her, you mean?
Your mother.
What?
Edgar says I'm finally ready. All of the women from the farm are gathering Sunday night at the new facility.
Mija, can I see you for a moment?
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word gathering. It means an assembly or meeting. Also means an assemblage of people, group or crowd. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce gathering, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to gath. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how gathering is used in real life.
I'll keep pushing them, but in the meantime...
Come to the lawn for the gathering.
We're throwing a little gathering. All good people.
No, I can't. I'm afraid not. That's your secretary unlawfully gathering evidence.
All of the women from the farm are gathering Sunday night at the new facility.
We had someone on the inside, someone
Well, I mean, to be honest, it's not like a party. It's
It's kind of like they're all sort of gathering towards that thing.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.